Did you know that reading just one self-development book a month can increase your overall productivity by 20%? Yes, that's right. And in this video, we will share 7 life-changing books that can significantly impact your personal growth and development. So let's start. At number 1, we have Atomic Habits by James Clear. Imagine if every small action you took could compound into massive results over time. That's the power of atomic habits. James Clear explains how tiny changes in your daily routine can lead to significant improvement in your life. For example, if you are struggling with motivation, this book will show you how to create habits that naturally drive you forward. Think of it like a compound interest for your life. Small investments today lead to big returns tomorrow. At number 2, we have the power of now. Are you constantly stuck in the past or worrying about the future? The power of now is a game changer for anyone looking to live in the present moment. Through powerful insights and practical advice, the writer teaches you how to let go of stress and anxiety by focusing on what's happening right now. It's a profound read that can transform your relationship with time and yourself. The next one is The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Stephen Covey. Stephen Covey's classic is a must read for anyone looking to improve their personal and professional life. The writer outlines the 7 habits that can help you become more effective in everything you do, whether it's being proactive, setting clear goals, or improving relationships. This book offers a roadmap to success. It's not just about doing things right, it's about doing the right things. At number 4, we have Man's Search for Meaning by Viktor Frankl. The writer's powerful memoir is a testament to the human spirit. Written by a Holocaust survivor, this book explores the search for meaning in life and how it can help us overcome sufferings. The writer's concept of logotherapy teaches us that even in the darkest of times, finding purpose can give us the strength to keep going. This book is a reminder that meaning is something we create, not something we find. Thinking Fast and Grow by Kahneman. Our brains are wired in fascinating ways, and Daniel takes us on a journey through the 2 systems that drive our thinking. System 1 is fast, intuitive, and emotional, while System 2 is slower, more logical, and deliberate. Understanding these systems can help you make better decisions in life. Whether it's in your career, relationships, or personal growth, this book will give you insights into how your mind works and how to use it. At number 6, we have Feel the Fear and Do It Anyway by Susan Jeffers. Fear is a natural part of life, but it doesn't have to hold you back. Suzanne's book is a powerful guide to overcoming fear and self-doubt. She teaches you how to recognize and manage your fears so you can take actions despite them, whether it's starting a new business, pursuing a passion, or making a big change. This book will empower you to step outside your comfort zone and achieve your goals. At number 7, we have The 4 Agreements by Ruiz. Based on the ancient wisdom, The 4 Agreements offers a simple yet profound code to live by. The agreements: be impeccable with your words, don't take anything personally, don't make assumptions, and always do your best, can transform your life. This book is a reminder that true freedom comes from the choices we make and the way we live our lives. The journey of personal growth is lifelong, but with the right tools and insight, you can accelerate your progress. These 7 books are more than just reading materials. They are guides to do better in life. Remember, the greatest investment you can make is in yourself. So which one of this you are reading first? Do let me know in the comment section below, and don't forget to like and subscribe.